one-hit wonder. I do the show once, so take a number. Lightning strike without all the thunder. Hold your breath, you about to go under. I know the game, I make the rules. And if you show up, expect to lose. This is the fun kids playground. This is the one-hit takedown. You're on your own, so keep your head down. You're on your own, you're on your own, so keep your head down. Keep your head down. Now drop it, keep it dropping. Hands up, I'm dropping the down, watch it. Gonna knock the dominoes, gonna knock the dominoes. Don't fight it, I know you like it. You put it in your mind like another psychic. Gonna knock the dominoes.
All right, we're back with Premiere Night, and we just saw Group F going on. So 5 fantastic teams. This is a really great group of videos as well. 25-12 Duluth East Daredevils. Personal friend of my team, they paired up with my old team, 28-26 Wave Robotics, for the championships in 2015. So solid looking robot from them again. I'm looking to see if they can kind of continue their streak of excellence that they've had. Very much looking forward to it. 28-69 Regal Eagles. It looks like it can be a consistent score out there. I'd like to see a little bit more on the shooter accuracy, see if they get something going from that. I do got to ding you for vertical video, though. Guys, please don't do vertical video. I can't stand it. Trigger. Yeah, happens. So that's, yeah, trigger, right? Here's a team from video I thought was pretty sweet. 3284 Camdenton 4H Laser. This team here, cool floor pickup. Like their shooter, they have that... what do you call those where it's like a vortex, right? That sort of thing inside the robot as a hopper. That type. So that was
kind of, yeah.
Yeah. So I thought that looked really cool, and that was really slick as well. 44.99 the Highlanders, a team that looks like, you know, they could be a good gear runner, and looking forward to see if they can get that consistency and that time down. I would recommend from a camera angle standpoint, as we go into the next one, 4481, if you're 44.99, maybe kind of work on those couple different camera angles that you saw in our next video to get you kind of a little bit more tighter shot in there that might look kind of neat. The last one, 4481 Team Rembrandts. They're coming in from the Netherlands. Wow. So coming in through these videos, 4284 definitely was my top pick until I saw 4481 Team Rembrandts. This team here, maybe it's the smoke. Maybe I just like videos with smoke a lot. I think that's kind of a common, right?
Yeah, we figured that.
Just overall, really cool video. The camera shots that they had getting inside the robot, showing different cool camera angles and different manipulators. Really, really cool. So 4481 is going to get my vote moving on to the final vote in there. Any comments from the rest of our panelists?
Dude, you nailed it. I mean, what a way to end that group with 4041 Team Rembrandts. And we're not just saying that because they're on the call with us. That was a very cool intake with getting gears off the floor, and the mechanism that does that was very, very cool to watch.
No, I don't vape, by the way. Somebody asked. That's why I like smoke so much. All right. So before we get to the Rembrandts, let's pick a winner real quick for this. And the winner is going to be Matt B706. Congratulations. You're going to get the custom drawing from Wordplay All Day. So please shoot me a PM with your contact information so we can get you all that.
Well, congratulations, and thanks for tuning in. So speaking of the Rembrandts, 4041, we have them all the way live on the line with us, all the way from Eindhoven in the Netherlands. So guys, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. What time did you say it was over there?
It's about 1:30 in the morning.
Oh my word, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much. So guys, just welcome. So how's it going all the way over there? Like how did your team end up, and you know, what can we look forward to?
Well, we had a short build season compared to the previous years. Since we're competing in a week 1 event, we had 1 week left after build season to prepare everything, ship everything, and that's a little bit short for us. So due to the shipping for the week 1 event, we had to cut our build season with 2 days. So we were already waiting some time for all the review videos to come up.
That's
Very
really
cool.
great.
Yeah.
We just saw your team's video, and obviously it's like totally awesome. Can you tell us a bit more about your robot's capabilities?
Well, as you saw The robot has a gear intake from the ground, a climbing mechanism, which was shown in the end, custom gearboxes for the 6-wheel drivetrain, and for the autonomous for the variety of our autonomouses, we build a shooter for 10-ball autonomous.
Very, very, very cool. So by the way, Jess, I gotta hop in. Jess, you sound like you could be one of those championship sideline reporters with that last
Hey.
comment.
I'm not doing anything this year.
All right.
Hey.
Sorry, Justin.
So guys, I just have to ask, it's kind of a long trip for you guys all the way from the Netherlands competing in South Florida and Orlando in back-to-back weeks. So how does that work in for your team? Do you guys have to do a lot of fundraising or what made you choose those events?
Yeah, well, they matched quite good with our own school schedules. So basically they were the only ones left. And well, the two were right behind each other. So this was the perfect fit for us.
Yeah, so the way we pick them, we need to go to regionals. So for us, districts is kind of hard. We used to go to North Carolina and Virginia as well. Last year was New York and New York Tech. So this year is Florida. Regarding funding, most of the funding actually comes from the students themselves and their parents. So most of our funding from sponsors goes to the robot, to all our shipping, all our
to the team.
To the team, exactly. So all our PR materials as well. Yeah,
That's awesome.
but the trip is completely student sponsored.
Wow.
Well, congrats to you
That's
guys.
really cool to
Yeah,
hear.
certainly.
Yeah, for sure. So you guys are definitely gonna be one of those teams here. Looking out in these week 1 regionals, coming out strong here with a great premiere night video. So I know you have a lot of eyes on you, and good luck. And Jelly and Weir, thank you just so much for coming or for calling in, especially so late for you guys from the Netherlands. So good luck to you and the rest of the Rembrandts this season.
Thank you very much for having us.
Guys.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Hey, thanks. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
All right. Who's coming up next,
You
Mike?
guys are good. All right. So coming up next in Group G, featuring 103, the Cybersonics, Team number 8, Pally Robotics, 4829 Audiobots, 2386 the Trojans, and 3354 Tech Droid, and 948 NRG. So let's take